guys, something a little different today. We are using whiskey in our kitchen. Start by adding some olive oil to a pan. Chop your mushrooms into bite-sized pieces. Then cook them for a few minutes until they're nice and brown. In another pan, heat some more olive oil on a medium heat. Add a clove of garlic and a 1/4 teaspoon of grated ginger and sauté these for 1 minute. Then add soy sauce and the bourbon of your choice. Add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and tomato purée. Then add white sugar and a cup of water. Stir all this together to combine. Reduce the heat to a simmer. Cook for 10 minutes. Then whisk together a tablespoon of cornflour and a tablespoon of water. Add this to the mixture and stir. I've changed to a fork here to give it a really good whisk and it will thicken. Then add your mushrooms back to the pan and season with salt and pepper. Cook for a few more minutes until it gets nice and thick. I served our bourbon mushrooms with meatballs and mashed potato, but you could add it to chicken, sausages or even steak or eat it with rice. I've even made the sauce without the mushrooms to make a really tasty gravy. Thanks for watching this pour it, eat it, enjoy it video.